Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. This is your host Trillinair, and we do have an amazing episode for you today. The best. I'm talking absolutely the best. I'm talking extreme market volatility predictions, mega celebrities, price action on small caps we recently discussed, a small cap you need to pay attention to, a pre-sale that could be the start of something major, and more crypto giveaway details for this week's crypto giveaway. Woo! But first, I want to say thank you to everyone subscribing on YouTube and following me on Twitter, and a bigger thank you to those reaching out and sharing potential opportunities with me. Thank you so much. Also, big thank you to those who are asking the questions they need to ask, trying to learn about this movement we call crypto. Okay, welcome to the new paradigm, ladies and gents. Let's get right to it. So, first thing we got going on today is extreme volatility. Absolutely. We're looking at Bitcoin right here, okay? This is on the 2-hour chart, all right? And we saw Bitcoin get up to 97.66, basically reaching right for that $10,000 mark. And the thing came on down to 8,790. That's a pretty big swing there. That's a pretty big swing. If we go ahead and zoom out a little bit though, we see that the price action was major even on the grander scale, the grander scheme of things. We'll go ahead and move this to the daily. And look at that, my goodness. All right, still falling in line as we can see here. Not gonna spend too long on this. You guys got other channels you can go to for the in-depth TA. We're not about in-depth TA on this channel, but obviously it's broken that downtrend, okay? It's not gonna go any further below this. That is a pretty solid bottom.
Continuité dump.
Now I say that, and the second I say that, of course it could turn around and happen, because nothing is certain when it comes to markets, be it Bitcoin or anything else. But in my opinion, will the price go lower than where it's currently at? It is certainly possible. Will it fall lower than this level here? I highly doubt it. I think we're beyond that, and it's just taking a breather after this massive run it's done over the last 7 to 10 days, okay? Something major, no doubt. Moving on, we take a quick look over at Ethereum, and Ethereum, of course, is matching Bitcoin swings, and it is doing it a little more violently, obviously, since it's a lower market cap. It's got a little more room to go. It was as high as 711 and did go down as low as 596. Okay, so bigger percentage changes there, more volatility for those traders out there who are watching this closely. You boys knows what's up. The volatility is when you make the most money. Okay, I was sitting there looking at it at 700 and I'm thinking, man, I should go ahead and liquidate some of this, but no, if they're long-term holdings, you know, I tend to leave them be. Now those small caps and stuff, you better believe that I'm ruthlessly taking profits, and we're going to show you some examples of that. But first, we've got my main man Kanye West tweeting out decentralize. Yeah, you know what he's talking about. He's just waiting to unleash Bitcoin. He's going to be dropping a brand new album called Bitcoin. No, I'm just playing, but he is dropping a new album in June, and y'all should go ahead and check that out. But anyways, decentralized, my man Kanye dropping some of them blockchain bombs for us. Flex, drop the bomb. So, with the small cap news, ladies and gentlemen, y'all saw me make a video about this crypto, and I said, you know what, I'm not sure about purchasing it in the ICO, as things do tend to drop below their ICO value. However, I do think it's a quality project based on who's involved. Now, if we take a look at their market cap was excuse me, 21 million coming out of ICO. Okay, did go as low as 13 million and some change. Okay, so was I wrong? Hell no, I wasn't wrong. I've been doing this for a little while, and patterns begin to emerge when you've been doing these things for a little while. The thing went way below its ICO value. Where are we sitting at right now, though? We gave you a little period of that 13 million range, you know, sub 20 million range sort of stuff, and then it began to take off, and it's done it in a major way. Today we're looking at $60 million market cap for Electrify Asia. Okay, I was telling you folks, Power Ledger was up there in the hundreds, 150 millions if I'm not mistaken, and this guy is attacking an even greater portion than Power Ledger is, and doing it with better devs and whatnot. Do I think that ELEC has more room to grow? Absolutely, they have more room to grow. They have amazing partnerships that they've just announced, essentially on the same level as Power Ledger, and they haven't even been out as long. So these guys are already making impressive moves, especially today, moving up 14% when the rest of the market was moving down 14%, talking about Ethereum. So certainly an amazing project, and I think that they will be reaching right up into that $150 million range, if not $100 million range in the next month or so, if this bull run continues, and could be sooner rather than later. However, after this major stretch, they too will need a breather. Again, as a sprinter or somebody lifting weights, you got to take a breath. Okay, so these guys are doing great. Don't forget to take your profits, and then don't be shy to buy back into this project because it's quality. Moving on, we have a little project that's been, you know, a little under the rug. It's been asleep.
Say hello to my little friend.
What is this? It's AIGANG. All right, not Gucci Gang, not Hodl Gang, not Safe Gang. This is AIGANG, and they are insurance on the blockchain. Okay, they've got their own cryptocurrency, and they do have some good devs behind the project. Things are happening. They do have a mainnet that is already live, so don't worry about a pre-mainnet pump and a post-mainnet dump, because the dump has already happened. If you don't believe me, let's go ahead and take another look at Electrify Asia, look at the chart over here, and then take another look over here at AIGANG, and you see that they're virtual opposites of one another. These guys were sitting up at, I don't know, what was it, 36.7 million dollars. Okay, they came down as low as, let's see this, 3 million, 2.9 million. Okay, we'll just call that 3 million. Came down as low as 3 million. I may or may not have picked some up there, and they went as high recently as 6.5 million. Okay, did I sell there? I certainly did not. Do you know why? Because going right back to what we saw them at before, they were at 36 million. If you go ahead and you multiply what they're at right now, 6 million, 5 million, how many times does that go in? 6, 7 times, 7, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, that's, yeah, 7 times, okay? 7 times. You want to 7x your money?
Show me the money.
That's a great way to do it. They're gonna go way above their all-time high.
Show me the money.
In my opinion, as long as they don't exit scamming or something like that. But the devs are still doing updates. I just checked out a Medium article from them. I'm liking what I am seeing. They are working diligently on the product, okay? Currently, they've got insurance for smartphones, and that will expand to many other Internet of Things objects. These boys are working on partnerships, and these partnerships go hand in hand with Internet of Things cryptocurrency technologies. I expect them to be major.
Show me the money.
All right, this is a 10x easy.
Show me the money.
This is a 100x more than likely.
Show me the money.
I'm picking them up for long-term hold. I shouldn't even be telling you this because I'm still trying to acquire more, but you know what? This channel is about opportunities, and those of you follow me, you know what? I'm sharing those opportunities with you as a thank you for following me in the early days of this channel. I appreciate it. Now, moving on to GPU coin. These boys, my goodness, they had a freaking hockey stick. If you go ahead and take this little area out, they had a hockey stick going up there, reached up to what, $3 million. And when I first was speaking about them about 10 days ago, they were $166,000. All right, that was a 20x. That was 20x on your money, okay? And mind you, I made a video right over here talking about them again. Hey, you know what? Congratulations on your 10x or 20x. Please go ahead and make sure you take profits. Make sure you take profits. And a lot of you did, clearly, because we see that the price has gone ahead and gone way on down and did fall as low as 1.5 million and now sitting at about 1.7 million. That's all right. This is a very small cap. In fact, we can call it a micro cap. All right. And it's doing it in the same timeline as Ethereum going ahead and doing its fall. So nothing out of the ordinary here, and certainly nothing to be concerned with if you were a holder for GPU coin and excited about this rebrand that's coming. Okay, now make sure you get all your initial investment out and you're riding with play money. It always feels nicer when you're playing with the house's money. All right, moving on, we've got pretty much our second to final bit coming up. This is a pre-sale that's coming. Okay, it's called DOW Stack, and I could probably spend about 2 hours talking about what the heck this project actually is and going in an in-depth review on what it is. But you know what? In the interest of saving your time and mine, okay, I want you to check this out on your own time. I want you to do some due diligence on this. Why? Because it's a project that could change the very way we interact with our governments. This is one of the best use cases for blockchain technology that I have ever come across. All right, it's DAOSTACK. It says powers centralized companies, funds, and markets to make fast and innovative decisions on scale, at scale. All right, right now they got a pre-sale coming for this cryptocurrency in 5 days, 14 hours, yada yada. Okay, they got plenty of videos. They talk about what they're doing, and if you want to see, you know, their distribution and whatnot, they tell you over here 40% goes to buyers, 40% for the Genesis DAO, 10% for the DAO Stack future, 10% for the current, you know, to fund these developers here. They've got MIDI partners going on with Gnosis. I'm sure you guys know what Gnosis is. All right, here's many of their team members. All right, they're advisors, and they do have some name brand advisors. Co-founder and CEO of Gnosis, co-founder of eToro.com, ex-CEO of DivX. I'm sure you guys have used that product. It had a very smooth video platform, and co-founder of MP3.com. That's Jordan Greenhall. Okay, so these guys do have experience and quality advisors. Again, check this out in your own time. It is certainly one of the more impressive projects I have seen. And clearly you can see that there's quality going in the development of this website. But, you know, dive deeper below the hood, have a look at the white paper, see what's going on there, folks. You will not be disappointed. Anyways.
Just what do you think you're doing, Dave?
Moving on to the final topic. And the final topic is the giveaway I have coming up on Sunday. And that's for the people who were follow me on Twitter and subscribe to me on YouTube. All right, pretty much if you want to get on the giveaway, it's very simple. Follow me, subscribe to me, and retweet the video, comment on the video, you know, like the comments, and participate in the conversation. I appreciate that. If you're asking me for, you know, Ethereum, you know, posting Ethereum addresses and all this stuff, don't worry about that. I'm gonna contact you if you're the winner. All right, it's very simple. It's very, very simple. And what kind of cryptocurrency we're giving away? Because this channel focuses on small caps and not so much the Bitcoins and the Ethereums, though of course we got to focus on it because it has everything to do with how well these small caps are performing for the most part, with the exception of ELEC today, who didn't care. ELEC was the honey badger, didn't give a what? Didn't care at all about the price action going down, okay? With the exception of, you know, understanding the general market movement, we're focused on small cap cryptocurrencies. So that's what I give away last week and the week before, and what I'll be giving away this week on the new giveaway this Sunday. All right, I don't always do a video on Sunday, but I do announce via Twitter, and that will be a small cap such as F-Horse or horse or payfair or this new cryptocurrency I just brought to y'all's attention that I am currently in the process of accumulating. If the price goes down, I am happy. I will certainly be buying up more of it. I am still buying up more of it as we speak. I'm glad it just went down 18% so I could pick up some more AIX. No joke, I drove the price up a little bit yesterday myself. Anyways, that's where we're at, folks. Pick up some of that AIX if you want. Hopefully you don't, so I can get more. Payfair could be giving away some of that, could be giving away some ELEC, could be giving away some horse. All right, shout out to all the developers doing good work, and we'll see you next time. This has been your host, Trillinair. Peace.
Yes.
Bogdanov, idź.
Ibor.